Anil Ambani's Reliance group today deciding to withdraw all defamation suits against leaders of the Congress as well as the National Herald newspaper, which is a publication associated with the Congress also. Now we're talking about 5,000 crore rupees of civil defamation suits that were filed by the company. So that's going to be a relief, obviously, for the Congress, but the timing of it is clearly interesting.
That's right. In fact, Reliance Defense, Reliance Infrastructure and Reliance Aerostructure, which are all part of the Reliance Group, had filed a civil defamation suit against Congress leaders, as mentioned by Ankita, like Sunil Jakhar, Randeep Singh Surjewala, Ooman Chandy, Ashok Chavan, Abhishek Manu Singhvi, Sanjay Nirupam and Shakti Singh Gohel, a few journalists and news organizations like National Herald. Now, we believe, in their statement they say, and that's up on your screen, they say, and I quote, "We believe that the defamatory statements by certain individuals and corporate bodies with regard to the offset agreement between Reliance Group and Dassault Aviation were made for the political purpose in the run-up to the Lok Sabha elections 2019 that have concluded on the 19th of May 2019. Besides, the subject matter is pending for adjudication before the Honorable Supreme Court. Therefore, the group has decided to withdraw the defamation suits filed by it against these individuals and corporate bodies," unquote. Saurabh Gupta now joins us with all the latest. Saurabh, how much of this is politics and how much of this is a realization on the part of Reliance that they don't want to take this any further?
Well, it all depends actually on how much of an issue the Rafale deal actually remains post the elections. Clearly, it was one of the planks that the Congress party used against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now, will Rafale continue to remain an issue like it was post the elections? That's something that we'll know once, the election counting is over and we know the results. But clearly, in the meantime, there is some sort of a rapprochement, if one may call it that, with the Anil Ambani group deciding to withdraw some of these cases. These cases, remember, were filed in Ahmedabad and mainly against Congress leaders and National Herald, apart from other publications as well. This time, of course, it's very clear that in what seems to have been a very loud, bitter political campaign, and Rafale featuring very prominently in that campaign, perhaps nobody wants to see, at least the Anil Ambani group wouldn't want to see it continue to be an issue. And that is one of the reasons, or one of the explanations perhaps, why this decision seems to have taken. Primarily, what we are being told, that it's been withdrawn against National Herald. The case was filed against several publications, National Herald being one of them, and also Congress leaders, but we are being told that it has been withdrawn as far as Congress leaders are concerned and publications like the National Herald are concerned.